Hey guys, welcome to another episode of Buy Something Random. Got a really exciting video for you today, so stick around, but be sure and hit that like and subscribe button below for all my content that I make. Hey guys, so if you're a subscriber, I have got a real treat for you today. I have got an exclusive video for you today, hands-on, with the brand new Festool TID 18 with a real person. You say, what's a real person? Well, I'm not paid by Festool. I bought this with my own hard-earned money. Festool doesn't sponsor me in any way, so I think this is going to be a subjective look at this new tool. So stick around. All right, so this is the first look at the Festool TID 18, their brand new impact driver. The drills were supposed to be shipping July 1st, and this is a pre-order model, so I got the package with the 2 batteries, the charger, and the drill itself. So let's open this up and take a look. And these are one of the new boxes that Festool's coming up with. They're really nice. I like the rounded handles, and then the front's got a handle on it too. They're rounded, and both of them clip in here and lock the handles so they don't flop around. Okay. So these are the 4 amp hour batteries that the pre-order kits came with. A battery indicator light on the front. I've got two of these charged and ready to go. I'm surprised how large this charger is. It's quite a large charger. Not sure why they made it so big. Even though it is a lithium, it doesn't need to be quite so big. And here is the drill. Brushless motor. It's got a built-in work light on the front, a little different position inside the DeWalt, which is on the ring right here. And I'll do some drilling, say in a corner, to see how well it illuminates versus up at the top. So if you're familiar with impact drivers, this doesn't look unfamiliar to you. Similar designs as most everybody else, just of course it's in the Festool green colors. You've got a quick release here for your bit holders. The nice thing that Festool has done, thank you Festool, is made this that it fits a standard size. It does not fit Festool's standard stuff. So if you've got one of the Festool bit holders that you would use on any of their other drills, actually it will not work on here. This uses just a standard bit that you could get at the hardware store. It does have a magnetic tray on both sides, just like most of the Festool drills do, which is nice and handy. You can put your bits here. This right here is for the belt clip, which does not come installed, but it comes in the box, and I didn't install it because I don't plan on using this as a job site. This is more of a home tool, fine woodworking, carpentry type drill for me. You've got 3 settings, which are gone over most in the Festool demo videos online. Push the button. This is for sinking the sheet metal screws, so it works it in, gets the impact going, and then right before it sinks it to the metal, it slows down really good, so it doesn't smash the gaskets you've got in between the sheet metal screws and the roofing. And then you've got 3 speeds. Low, medium, and a high for maximum torque. I won't go over the exact specs because I feel that they're kind of subjective, and it's mostly what you want to be using this for. And I'm going to say that I would probably not use this drill at a heavy construction site where I'm just going to beat the crap out of it. I would probably go get myself a cheap one and if it breaks, I could throw it away and just buy another one. This is a little bit more expensive drill. I believe around, with tax and everything, it was around $385 with both the batteries, the charger, and this. You know, a lot of other people make really good impact drivers that, you know, you don't feel quite as bad just being so rough and beating the heck out of them. But this is really good, so we'll see how it does hold up. It comes with Festool's 2-year warranty, and I believe that covers the batteries too. So let's get some quick measurements. Front to back is really nice and short, and that is important for getting in a tight cabinet or somewhere that you need to get in there and don't have a lot of working room. So front to back measurements, we are looking right at about 5¼ inches, thereabouts. And you saw this in my first clip. This is not something that came with the drill. This is actually a little chuck that I put in here. And real quick, I'm going to go over this. This is something I picked up on Amazon, and it's a set of impact driver bits. It comes with all these bits, and then the holder as well. And one thing I really like about this is the bit holder is spring-loaded. And I'll show you what I mean. Let me put this in the drill real quick. Okay, so here's a bit. It's magnetic, but it's also spring-loaded, and it's got a lock. So I'll just push down, and it locks itself in here. This will not pull out. And then I can pull this collet back, and it actually will shoot these little bits out. So if you get a really tight fitting screw, sometimes those little tight fitting screws tend to pull these out of those magnetic holders. This will not do that because it locks in here. So those will not come out. So super handy, really neat, wasn't that expensive. And it comes with all these different Torx bits, square drive, Phillips, flathead, you name it, it's got most of them. Okay guys, this is the first time I've ever used this drill. This is the Festool TID 18. We've got the 4-amp-hour battery on it. I am going to go ahead and set the settings to full. This bit right here is from that kit that I was telling you about. And so this is a 2.5-inch decking screw, and we are going to be putting it in this piece of Osage orange. And this will be a definite test for strength on both, of course, the screw and the drill. And it's stronger than my screw, but that went in quite nicely actually. Let's try something a little bit bigger, see if this one doesn't break or not. And this is a Torx 25. The last one was a Torx 20. So here goes. Piece of cake. Woohoo, that's hot. Let's see if it would make it in on the first setting. Yeah, it'd probably make it. Nope, never mind. Second setting. And it split the wood. And that was just on the second setting. All right, so I intentionally turned the lights off here, and I've got the drill in a piece of plywood with a square drive bit, and this is a brand called High Point, and hopefully I won't break the head off of it, but we can see how well it illuminates the area with the light below. And that went in quite fast. And I can feather the throttle a little bit so it doesn't go all the way in. Let's go ahead and turn it down to 1. So that was on 1. Probably could have sped it up. But as you see here, it went all the way in there. Hey guys, so that's it for the video. I know you wanted more, but I don't have any projects to build with it just yet. It's about 8 o'clock at night. I do have a great big deck that I'm planning on using this exclusively on. So once I start working on that, I'll set up the tripod and we'll get me using this, and then I'll really give you my thoughts of how it works after I put it through its paces, because I got a bunch of big decking screws that I'm going to use. Festool TID 18. Bought this with my own money again, and I'm really looking forward to using it a whole bunch. If you guys have any questions about it, or if there's any little things that I didn't cover, I didn't go into the real specs of it, but I mean, it's just all over the internet. I just wanted to see what it really looks like working, and especially that light and how it works. So holler at me if you have any questions, and be sure to hit that like and subscribe button below. Thanks, guys.